So I got this package today. I think I know what it is, but let's check. Fold over and use enclosed circle stickers to reseal mailer for returns. Oh, I'm not returning this, I don't think. So these are Crosspoint Gear waterproof knit sport gloves. So these are pretty much good for everything. 3-layer construction, durable nylon outer, breathable waterproof membrane, and wicking liner. Nice padding here. Oh, perfect fit. Wow, I like them. I think I'm gonna use this as a liner when I go skiing because my hands really get cold when I ski, so these ones can go underneath. Let me bring my other gloves to see how they fit inside. So here are my other gloves that are without fingers. So this seems to be the perfect fit for this. I'm going here. Oh yes. I love it because I really get cold fingers. And if it's not that cold, maybe this will be enough, but I'm not sure. So this is perfect. So all I need now is to go find some snow and go skiing. I love this. They really fit good. They really are the perfect size for me. This is a medium, model CP9915. Let's go and do something fun with this. So today we're here in Vermont with Dodge. We're gonna be driving these Dodge Chargers on the snow, on the ice, on the road, and these gloves could have not come at a better time because we're gonna be dealing with this all day. And this is actually, as you can see, completely waterproof. I can actually squeeze the snow and nothing comes through the glove. We're gonna be doing a lot of different activities today, but this is part of it. The gloves came really at a good time. Crosspoint Gear. There you go. Let's go and do this. Crosspoint Gear waterproof knit sport. Durable, touchscreen, low profile. We're gonna test all that today. Here we go. So here we go for our test drive with the Dodge Charger. We're gonna wear the gloves. It's actually really cold out here. We have all the cars here, and as I said, these gloves are really good for all these activities because you can operate the screens you're gonna see inside the car. So here we go. Driving in the cold. So the great thing about these gloves is that they protect you out there. They're very comfortable to drive in here, and they're completely useful for touching the screens, doing all these things that we need to do here. As you can see, they really work, not like others where you touch a screen and they don't do anything. So let's do this. Let's go.
After 0.2 miles, turn left, Weeks Hill Road, then take the second right.
So there you have it, flying the drone with the gloves make it much easier in this kind of weather. So perfect fit, a lot of technology with the drone, the cameras and the gloves.